Hi, I'm Elliot Ownbey. I am a senior at Capital Technology University, and I will be earning my Bachelor's of Science in Cyber and Information Security. I got into Girls Who Code sophomore year of high school just purely on a whim of just something to do. Afterwards, I was just self-teaching myself computer science. My high school was very, very small and did not offer really any coursework or curriculum in computer science whatsoever. So I was sort of self-teaching just out of interest. I learned a little bit of coding, a little bit of database stuff. The classroom experience at Capital has been great, honestly. A lot of the classes are major specific. You're able to jump in right off the bat. And they're a smaller class size and also hands-on with labs. A lot of tech courses at other universities will be strictly on theory, which is hard to translate into actual careers. But being able to get hands-on experience with a lot of the equipment and software allows you to get transferable skills and also be confident in your skills that you garner. Yeah. My career goal is to work either for an investigative body such as the Federal Bureau of Investigation or for a nonprofit such as the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. I don't have very specific career goals at the end of the day. However, all I do know is that as long as I can help someone with my skill set, I will be entirely content. Smaller schools will offer more focused attention between teacher and student. And also, when it comes to specialized schools, they could really hone in on certain areas such as engineering, computer science, cybersecurity. Also, the course curriculum for cybersecurity was great. A lot of cybersecurity degrees themselves are lacking because it doesn't have enough computer science in it. You need to learn what computers are before you can learn how to defend them. And looking through the course curriculum catalogs, Capital Tech fully remediated that issue. So their cybersecurity program had a wonderful success rate, and I was on board.